What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Listen, what a great day for AXA stock. 25% in the green. I told you guys about AXA yesterday. I've been telling you guys about AXA, but I told you guys I got on here to really talk to you guys, to really get into AXA and to explain to you guys and break down why AXA is one of the most undervalued companies and why you should really take your time and look into this company. And today we had a 25% in the green for AXA, and right now is still one of the most undervalued companies in the market out there. In my opinion, anything all the way up to 50 cents is still undervalued, and it's still a huge buy with everything that this company has been announcing and has going on. This company is profitable, revenue generating, and game changing with everything that they have right now. Salute to everybody holding AXA. Big salute to everybody holding two hands with a 25% increase today as well. And big salute to everybody holding DPLS. And with that, we're going to get into a penny stocks .today article that came out yesterday. Listen, man, I just want to explain to you guys that DPLS is a company that, like no other, with the technology that they have, with all the companies that they have, from the Caltrans contracts announced to the $45 million contract announced last week, to all the acquisitions that they had, Teradata, Optilion, all these acquisitions. And you could get in right now at under a $500 million market cap with DPLS. Time's running out for you to get in at these prices. Because when we get to 15 to 20 cents, I'm going to still be on here telling you guys that this company, when we get to a $2 billion, $3 billion, $4 billion market cap, is still extremely undervalued. You guys understand what I'm telling you? This company, with the moves that they're making at these beginning stages, at 2, 3, 4, 5 billion, we're going to be undervalued. And my money's not going nowhere. Listen, let's get into this article. With the rise of smart cities and technology progressing at breakneck speeds, fiber optic technology is increasingly in demand. Thankfully, Dark Pulse, ticker symbol DPLS, a global leader in critical infrastructure solutions, has been revolutionizing this sector using its own patented fiber sensor technology to make infrastructure safer and more reliable. Currently valued at $9 billion, the fiber optic industry is projected to reach $8 billion by 2026. With that in mind, DPLS stock has seen a significant increase in demand, resulting in a 270% increase in the last 2 quarters. DPLS is a stock to watch as it sets out ambitious plans for global expansion and acquisitions. Catalysts. DPLS is a leading technology security company thanks to its patented BOT-DA Dark Pulse sensor technology. This technology provides a data stream of metrics for assessing changing temperatures, strains, and stresses. Standing out from its competition, DPLS offers the most dependable high-resolution technology at low production costs. When it is applied to various types of infrastructure in oil and gas security, pipeline, mining, and even aerospace sectors, DPLS's technology can become an important tool for evaluating the structural safety of these incredibly expensive projects. Earlier this year, DPLS finalized 2 letters of intent to acquire leading drone companies, remote intelligence, and wildlife specialists. It also announced its acquisition of the drone company Teradata Unmanned, which led to a further increase in the stock value after an initial 500% increase in the days following its June 8th announcement. Additionally, Dark Pulse acquired Optilion, a leader in security and communications, For an aggregate purchase price of $4 million, Optilin will give Dark Pulse access to new and emerging markets because of its operational presence in the Middle East, Turkey, India, and Azerbaijan. These acquisitions are promising. According to the company's COO, because they will allow the company to expand its system capabilities and open new service lines. Based on its acquisition of Optilin, it appears DPLS is venturing further into the global market. The company's CEO, Dennis O'Leary, shared a previous interview that as a result of market positions, the company's director for APAC and MENA regions will be transitioning to Dubai, where he expects to have a market presence very soon. We're going to have a market presence in Dubai very soon. Considering Dubai's ultra-modern smart cities, the move is not surprising and may point to more piling onto its list of projects. DPLS started a pilot project with the California Department of Transportation, Caltrans, to monitor California's bridges and roadbeds, structural health. Do you understand how big that is? That we're already got Caltrans in one of the top economical states in the world, California. We're already partnered with them. The company is also working on launching a system that will monitor changes in concrete temperature in real time to ensure infrastructure, structural safety. DPLS is exploring other potential locations to implement its technologies in, with the aim of expanding to the global market. The board of directors recently authorized a stocks repurchase program where the company can repurchase up to 15 million of the company's outstanding shares over the next year to return value to its shareholders. This is what I keep telling you guys. Shareholder value is important to the management that we have with this company. My number one concern that I look at when I look into these companies is what's the management about? What's the CEO, the COO, the CFO? What are they about and what are they doing for shareholders? And this company is showed nothing but genuine care and support for its shareholders and genuinely wants the stock and all its investors to grow and prosper and make tons of money. Let's continue. This will be executed through open market purchases of private transactions and will be funded from DPLS's cash on hand. However, DPLS emphasized that it is under no obligation to acquire the whole number of shares and that the time frame might be adjusted or extended later on. Recently, DPLS announced that the leading investor relations company, Red Chip Companies, will be taking over the company's investor relations efforts. On that note, the company's CEO, Dennis O'Leary, said, "We look forward to a beneficial relationship that broadens our shareholder base and effectively communicates our story to the investment community." The company also plans to introduce DPLS to institutional investment and private equity firms through investment roadshows and earnings calls starting this quarter. Witnessing a downtrend, DPLS is currently trading near its support at 6 cents and has primary resistance around 7.5 cents with a secondary resistance at 8 cents. The RSI remains oversold at 37 as accumulation continues to decrease. The MACD is currently bearish, given the company's plans to increase its exposure to institutional investment and private equity firms through investment roadshows across the country. DPLS may see an uptick in January. Still trading above June's average PPS, DPLS is currently dipping but may recover with updates on its California pilot project. We might have updates on Caltrans soon. DPLS stock forecast. Dark Pulse, DPLS has acquisition plans and hopes to uplist to the OTCQB market, but its revenue, as of its latest quarter reporting, is recorded at $3.5 million. However, its California pilot program could prove to be the breakthrough DPLS is looking for. If the company becomes a resource for Caltrans, then the company could receive other projects from the state, which will likely be updating its infrastructure thanks to the $1 trillion bill passed by Congress. You guys forgetting about that $1 trillion infrastructure bill? You guys forgot about that already? How much of that you think DPLS is going to get? You guys understand nobody's doing what DPLS is doing with their technology, right? You guys understand that nobody can use their patented technology? Let me keep going. Dark Pulse stock repurchase program will also help the dilution concerns. Although the company's OS is only $5.1 billion out of an authorized of $20 billion. Given its dip price, DPLS stock is trading near its strong support, and investors could capitalize on a rebound. Guys, this company is going to be huge. Listen, I'm on here with you guys through thick and thin. Just like we're going through the struggle with this market conditions now, I'm on here with you guys through the rain, through the fire, through the sun, through the light, through everything. I'm on here with you guys, no matter what. And just like we got bad days that we going through right now, the good days are coming, and I'm going to be with you guys then. So all I ask, share this video, like, subscribe to the channel. You got other bozos. Listen, I'm not even going to talk crap about anybody. We got other... You guys know this better than me. Everybody sends you, hey, let's go to this Patreon. Sign up to my website. You got this one guy, what's his name? True Trading something. This guy is making you pay him $1,200 to get into some website he created to tell you guys about these stocks. Got all these other people telling you, listen, so sign up here to get my alerts before anybody. I told you guys before, as soon as I get them, you get them. I give them to you guys sometimes even before I put my money into it. As soon as I put my money into it, I tell you guys either way. And I don't make you pay no extra for it. All I ask is simply like, subscribe, so I could stay on here and talk to you guys about it, so I could, feel the support, because I do see the support and I appreciate it. But like I said, there's a lot of people still watching that's not subscribed. I used to throw franks at you guys. I'm not even about that no more. As far as today anyway. Listen, like, subscribe. Don't cost you anything to hit that button. I make pennies off this. I got tons of money in the markets, and with the plays that we give to you guys could potentially set your family up. Set your kids, your grandkids, your great-grandkids up for the rest of their lives with these companies, with what they're going to be doing. Once again, salute to everybody holding the big winners for today. Two hands, DPLS and AXXA, and it's just the beginning for those three tickers. You guys know that. Salute. I'll get back at you guys, man. Thank you.